The phone is an Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. It was soaked in a latrine for over an hour before being retrieved. Surprisingly, it can still be turned on. It has been used for just over a year, and the battery efficiency is only at 81% now. Alright, we are now starting to disassemble it to see if there is any feces inside. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1, start. Let's have a close-up. It's completely clean inside, not a single trace of water ingress when we were cleaning the exterior. We also rinsed it under the tap for over 10 minutes, so the phone's IP68 water resistance is indeed very necessary. Alright, since it's already open, we might as well transplant a new battery cell. To restore the battery efficiency to 100%, please enjoy the entire process of the Apple battery cell transplantation immersively. Some people watch the video quietly, but will quietly like, comment, share, and follow. Such people are really lovely.